Hey, I'm Max. See this? The gold in your jewelry, even in your phone, it didn't come from Earth. It started in outer space. There are two cosmic factories that build heavy elements. Supernovas, exploding stars, forge some of them, but gold needs something even more extreme. Two neutron stars, each so dense a single spoonful weighs billions of spiraling into each other and smashing together. So how does gold actually form? In that violent instant, free neutrons flood these atomic nucleus. So fast the nucleus can't break down between hits. We call it rapid neutron capture, the R process. And in just a few seconds, brand new gold atoms are born. For decades, that was just theory. Then in 2017, we finally caught one in the act. First, gravitational waves rippled in, then a gamma ray burst, then telescopes locked onto a kilonova, a real neutron-star merger. That glow right there is heavy elements being made. Gold. Forged in real time. Proof. So this little chain? Every atom of it began in a stellar collision billions of years ago. That gold drifted through space, got swept into the cloud that formed our planet, ended up in the ground as ore, and eventually into your hands. If that made the universe feel a little more amazing, hit like, subscribe, and let's keep exploring together. See you next time.